nature and lifestyle on this episode ventured out of the city of Abuja to the outskirts where farmlands abound. Today's destination is Kwali Area Council, about 70 kilometers away from civilization. The journey is a tough one. The crew would have to cross a river whose only bridge had been destroyed by the torrential rains. With no access road or electricity, the reality in the 20 villages on the other side is a sharp departure with what is obtainable in the city center. But the beauty beyond the river made the journey worth every bit of it. In the hot afternoon sun sits this beautiful farm which is thriving despite the odds and ensuring that nature continues to succeed. From the bird's eye, a sprawling demonstration of hectares of agroforest, a shimmering hectare of greenhouse, an animal feed processing factory, a vegetable oil press, and a food processing line, all firmly nestled in nature.
It's midday in the city of Abuja, and I'm somewhere at the outskirts part of Abuja, Kwali to be specific, and I'm enjoying this beautiful shade just under this very massive tree here in a man-made forest. It's super exciting. We have all sorts of tree in this forest. As a matter of fact, they just harvested some crops from it, so it's a bit less dense. And this is this is the wood tree, and this is cassava, a very long cassava, and this is banana plant. We have some turmeric. For those of you who like dodo, this is plantain plant, and we have a lot of things going on, a lot of plants going all at the same time. It is called an agroforest. It's absolutely amazing. It's just going to be us exploring everywhere in here. My village girl has come out. I can see a ripe papaya here. I think I'm going to harvest it. Stay tuned, you get to find out after the break.